Hey Divine Family, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. If you are new here, this space is all about growth, faith, purpose, encouragement, and a little bit of my lifestyle. Today marks the start of something truly special, a journey we are going to walk together, the Single Women series. Whether you are newly single, have been single for a while, or you are simply in a season of rediscovering yourself, this series is for you. This is not a series about waiting for a partner. This is not a series about feeling incomplete. And it's definitely not a series about loneliness. This is a series about wholeness, identity, and alignment. It's about mastering the areas of our lives that matter emotionally, spiritually, mentally, financially, and relationally. Because before we can show up fully for others in friendships, in family, in work, in community, we first have to learn to show up for ourselves. And I want to be clear, I'm not speaking as someone who has mastered everything. I'm learning, I'm growing, and I am figuring things out right beside you. This series is a shared journey, not a lecture. Over the next sessions, we will explore powerful and practical topics like emotional mastery, understanding your triggers, embracing your feelings, and responding with wisdom. We are also going to explore spiritual alignment, building a relationship with God that grounds us and shapes our decisions. The next one is mental clarity, learning how to declutter our thoughts, focus, and build resilience. The next one is financial empowerment, taking control of our monies, budgeting confidently, and creating stability. The next one is relational readiness, not for romance alone, but for all relationships, friendships, family, workplace dynamics, and learning how to attract healthy connections by becoming a healthier version of ourselves. The last one will be life integration, how to now turn everything that we're gonna be learning into daily habits that can help us grow consistently. The series is designed to help you thrive as a woman, whole, healed, grounded, and confident. Many times society focuses on single women as though we are waiting for the next chapter. But this season is not a waiting room. It's a building room. A room where God shapes identity, builds character, aligns purpose, and strengthens foundations. Your single season is not a punishment. It's not a delay. It's preparation, refinement, and discovery. This series matters because you matter as a single woman. Your growth matters. Your future matters. And the woman you are becoming in this season will influence every relationship in your life. So Divine Family, as we step into this series, I want you to come with an open heart, a willing spirit, and a notebook. We are going to reflect, learn, grow, and rebuild together. If you are ready to embrace your single season with purpose and confidence, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with another woman who needs this journey. Let's walk this path together, healed, intentional, and divinely guided. Welcome to the Single Women series. Have you ever felt broken yet longed to feel whole? Fractured yet whole, embracing strength through faith. Journey through the raw beauty of imperfection, resilience, and divine restoration. This powerful book invites you to embrace your scars, not as flaws, but as sacred marks of growth. Through poetic reflection and heartfelt storytelling, Discover how faith transforms brokenness into strength and pain into purpose. Whether you are navigating storms or standing in stillness, this book reminds you are beautifully broken yet divinely restored. It's not perfection that makes us impactful. It's the courage to shine through the cracks. Fractured Yet Whole is available now, exclusively as an ebook. The link is in the description below, and if you are not sure, feel free to contact me directly.